Hello everyone, welcome back to Sports and Gadgets. Today we're going to learn how to fill a PCP, which stands for pre-charged pneumatic, using an air compressor. We have with us the Umarex Smart PCP Compressor and the Umarex Gauntlet Air Rifle. And if the size of this compressor seems too large for you, there are also other ways to fill the air, like using a hand pump or a high-pressure tank. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a detailed guide video on those options. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your rifle is unloaded, the air tank is intact, and there are no cracks or other damages. Place your rifle on a stable surface, and here you need to figure out if an adapter is required. Generally, one of the three types of adapters comes included with the rifle, like probe or quick disconnect. To know which one you need, check out the manual provided by the rifle manufacturer. In our case, the Umarex Gauntlet rifle comes with a faster quick connect fitting already installed, and it doesn't require any additional adapters. Next, we need to find out the pressure at which to fill the air into the rifle. Usually the manufacturer specifies the pressure in bar and PSI either on the rifle, the air tank or the packaging. But if you only know the bar value, you can easily convert it to PSI using Google. In our case, we have 200 bar, which is equal to 2,900 pounds per square inch. Now it's time to connect the compressor's plug to the rifle. Make sure the air source is securely attached to the probe or fitting. When it's done, we need to set the PSI value by pressing the up or down buttons. Then press the on button and the compressor will start filling the air into the rifle. What's great about this compressor is that it will automatically fill up to the correct pressure and then stop on its own. It also displays the time it takes to fill, shows the temperature, and features air cooling to prevent overheating. And you can save money on this product and many others when you shop at our Sports and Gadgets online store. From air guns and rifles to knives and smartwatches, get these cool items at a great discount. Copy the promo code, follow the links, and enjoy a 5% discount on any product. Another cool feature of this compressor is its portability. You can take it outdoors, into the woods or on a hunting trip, as it can be connected to a car battery to fill your rifle. Once the rifle is filled, we should bleed off all the pressure like this. Then we simply disconnect the compressor plug. The rifle has been filled to the preset settings. Give the compressor time to cool down without turning it off. You can monitor the temperature on the screen. We hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.